One starts off with Thunderation.
Okay.
Okay, I mean,
All
now
you
we're
need to do is
doing
just
it.
hang it right. Here.
Thunderation is a mild coaster.
Yeah, it is.
So we're
Yeah,
right
just
here.
Yeah, we just hang it right.
So that is
Alright, so just keep going.
fire in the holes.
So we're going to teacups and then fire in the hole, yeah?
Basically, we're
Even
figuring
you're a
out.
holder, you get to be in front.
We're figuring out coasters right now.
Yeah, but okay. We went on fire in the hole. I rode that when I was like 9 or 10 and I hated it with all of my soul. And I just went on it again twice and I loved it.
Yeah, Thunderation is really fun.
Can't get away from it.
Lotions, potions, and other notions.
Thank you. Now I have an agenda.
See, this is what it feels like to ride a coaster when you're not afraid of them. Oh.
She work at the fire.
Are you still vlogging?
Yeah.
I think we just end it here because we don't really have anything else to say.
Yeah.
This is a short vlog. This is a short vlog.
Bye, guys.